So we have all of these building blocks. Let's identify when we eat into the book. Let's go back to trades. And run again. Now multiple trades are occurring at the same timestamp. Notice that these are all the same. In this case, we see a single aggressive side is sell. So we see a single aggressive sell order. It's all the same. Executing at different buy orders. Now all of these have the same trade ID. So going down. However, if the sell order trades into the book, let's keep on going down, we'd see a different price and then a different trade ID. So here we're going to investigate this kind of trading into the book. And I'm going through a series of steps, so my query gets a bit longer. So let's describe this step by step. So again, as I'm looking at trades, I have my trade price and my trade size. So first we're kind of retrieving the trades. Going to CME sample trades. I'm defining the schema that I want. So I'm interested in trade period, book type, price, size, and aggressive size. I'm filtering on trade period is hyphen and book type is 0. So I'm only wanting lit book trades. I want to kind of take out all of the off-book trades. Then I'm interested in price, size, and aggressor side. Then I want to add 2 new fields, which are the next price for the kind of next trade record. Both the next price and the next timestamp. So I'm using this kind of +1 syntax to revert to the next row in the result set. So I have my next price. Now I want to record how deep in the book a trade goes. So I'm setting a variable, state variable called level, and setting it to 0. Now I'm resetting this every time the timestamp changes. So it's going to 0 if the current timestamp is different from the previous timestamp, previous being -1, so the previous row. Otherwise, just keeping it the same. And I'm incrementing the level if the timestamp is the same as the previous timestamp, but the price changes. In this case, the trade is eaten through all of the orders at a given price, and then it's starting to eat further into the book. So once that state variable is fully defined and populated, I'm just creating a new column called level and populating it with that state variable.